In this video, we are going to see how we can use the text to image generation option in Adobe Firefly. So if you're in your account, you can see this general prompt option where you can customize it, that whatever you define as a prompt, it will create an image or either video or a vector. But if you want to use a particular feature, you can scroll down and here are different features that you can use: text to video, boards, beta, text to vector, translate video, or whatever you want. And here on the first option, we have the text to image generator. Just click on that. And this feature is only available with the paid plans. Explore what's possible with up to 10 complementary generations across the standard image and vector features. So let's click on try now. These are some of the model settings that you can customize however you want. You want the vertical image, you want to use the image 4 Ultra, image 3, and other versions. Basically, you can customize that. Prompt features, you can write any of the prompt here. So basically, it's a complete guideline of the interface. And if we click on the gallery, from the top, if we click on the gallery, we can see some of the amazing art based on this simple prompts. Like this person, a house that is pink, luxury, and cute with pink car. Here's the prompt for generating this kind of image and all of this amazing stuff that people are doing and generating by just writing some simple prompts. So let's go back to generate and let's generate something of our own. So we want to write a prompt here. Let's take the support of ChatGPT to get the basic idea on how you can define this scenes in order to generate a wonderful prompt. Epic and cinematic, it has generated some of the prompts by just writing this prompt here. Write some amazing text to image generator prompts for Firefly that looks stunning. And it has created some cinematics, pictures, ideas, nature and landscapes, fantasy, luxury product style. So let's use something like the ancient temple in the clouds, golden light pouring through massive gates, intricate dragon carvings, cinematic depth of field, hyper realistic. Let's copy this. And whatever is your idea, just paste it in here in the prompt and click on generate. We're on the standard feature, so we only get a couple of tries. Let's click generate. And as you can see, it has generated some amazing images that looks very realistic. Now you can see this image. It's so amazing, so realistic. Let's click on download and it will allow you to download as well in the free version. And it looks something like this. Image quality is very good and it doesn't look like an AI created image. Now, if we click on any of them, you can click on edit and you can generate similar based on this type of prompt. It will create something else for you as well. So this is the sample one. And unfortunately, we have insufficient credits. So before exploring all of these amazing functions, I recommend you to buy this. And in the next video, I will show you the complete process of how you can upgrade this to Firefly Standard. I recommend you to upgrade it so that you can conveniently explore all the functions that Adobe Firefly offers. So just try this feature by yourself and I will see you in the next one.